Looking to upgrade your car toolkit without spending a fortune? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 20 amazing car tool deals that offer real value, from scanners and jump starters to inflators, chargers, and more. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a weekend driver, these tools can save you time, money, and trouble on the road. All product links are in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 1. Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Scanner. The Foxwell NT301 is a powerful OBD2 scanner that quickly reads and clears engine fault codes, helping you diagnose issues before they become costly. It features live data, freeze frame info, and onboard monitoring, perfect for DIYers wanting dealership-level diagnostics at home. A must-have in 2025 for maintaining car health. Check the link to grab yours now. Number 2. Thermo Maven Propane Culinary Torch Adjustable. While marketed as a culinary torch, this versatile tool is great for automotive heat shrinking, loosening stuck bolts, or small welding-like tasks. The adjustable flame gives excellent control, and the sturdy build ensures long-term reliability. A useful multi-purpose tool every garage should have. Check the description to grab this deal today. Number 3. Avapow 8000A Battery Jump Starter 12 volts with an insane 8000A peak current. This jump starter can revive almost any dead vehicle, from SUVs to diesel trucks. It includes built-in safety protection, a digital display, and strong clamps. Fast charging and a rugged body make it perfect for emergencies. This is one of the strongest jump starters on sale right now. Grab the deal via the link below. Number 4. Wolfbox 4000A Car Jump Starter 12 Volt. The Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter delivers powerful performance for daily drivers. It starts most 12-volt vehicles, offers USB charging, includes a bright LED light, and has a compact design that fits easily in your glove box. Reliable backup power you don't want to be without in 2025. Check the link in the description to learn more. Let's keep rolling. The next tool is a super handy gadget every car owner should have. Number 5. Portable Electric Siphon Transfer Pump 2.4 gallons per minute. This electric transfer pump makes moving fuel, oil, and other liquids fast and mess-free. With a 2.4 GPM flow rate, it's perfect for lawn equipment, ATVs, generators, and small vehicles. The compact size and one-button operation make it incredibly convenient, a must-have tool for anyone who works with fluids. Grab yours using the link below. Number 6. Betool 24 PCS Tire Repair Kit Emergency. A flat tire can ruin your day, but not when you have this 24-piece repair kit. It includes plugs, tools, and everything you need to fix punctures quickly. Durable steel T-handles provide leverage, making the repair process easier. An essential emergency kit for every driver. Check the link to secure this budget-friendly deal. Number 7. Ansell AD310 OBD2 Scanner. The Ansell AD310 is one of Amazon's best-selling car diagnostic tools. Lightweight, accurate, and easy to use, it reads trouble codes and helps you identify check engine light problems. No batteries needed. It powers directly from your car, perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. Grab the deal through the link. Number 8. Cuxisa Portable Air Compressor 180 PSI. This high-power air compressor delivers up to 180 PSI, ideal for car tires, sports equipment, and inflatables. The digital display, auto shutoff, and LED light make it convenient anytime, anywhere. One of the best budget inflators on Amazon right now. Check the link to learn more or get yours today. Number 9. VoltSet 12-volt solar battery charger 20 watt. Keep your car battery topped off with this 20-watt solar charger. It's great for vehicles that sit unused, RVs, tractors, motorcycles, and boats. Built-in protection prevents overcharging and reverse discharge eco-friendly, reliable, and incredibly useful. Grab yours using the description link. If you liked those deals, you're going to love what comes next. More tools that make maintenance easier than ever. Number 10. Eaton Wolf Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 2-Pack. This 2-pack digital tire gauge is perfect for checking pressure accurately anytime. Easy-to-read backlit display, ergonomic grip, and fast readings make it ideal for all drivers. Proper tire pressure means better mileage and improved safety. Get this great deal through the link below. Number 11. Yes Welder Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This auto-darkening welding helmet offers clear vision, fast switching, and reliable UV/IR protection. Perfect for automotive welding jobs and DIY metalwork. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, and the viewing area is excellent for precision. An affordable welding upgrade in 2025. Check the link to grab it now. Number 12. Gulu. A 7 jump starter with air compressor, 6,000 amps. A powerful 6,000 amps jump starter combined with an air compressor. This is a true all-in-one emergency device. Starts large engines, inflates tires, charges electronics, and includes a bright LED light. Perfect for road trips and emergencies. See the link in the description to grab yours. Number 13. Hato Portable Tire. Inflator 120 PSI. Compact, stylish, and extremely reliable. The Hato inflator delivers up to 120 PSI and includes preset modes, a digital display, and USB-C charging. Its premium build quality stands out from typical inflators. A great companion for cyclists, drivers, and travelers. Click the link below to check the deal. We're getting into some seriously useful tools now, perfect for DIYers and road trip enthusiasts alike. Number 14. Fedakwalt Portable Tire. Inflator 150 PS. This compact inflator reaches up to 150 PSI and plugs directly into your 12-volt outlet. Great for quick tire top-ups and emergencies. It's fast, lightweight, and includes a built-in LED light. A budget-friendly essential for every car. Check the link to grab this deal. Number 15. Allway 300-watt power inverter DC 12-volt USB-C. Turn your car's 12-volt socket into a power station. This 300-watt inverter powers laptops, tools, and electronics, and includes USB-C fast charging. It's compact, quiet, and great for travel or camping, an extremely useful tool for modern drivers. Grab it using the link in the description. Number 16. Lunde 44 PCS 1/4-inch socket nut driver. Set. This 44-piece socket and nut driver set is perfect for car repairs and home projects. Includes durable chrome vanadium tools, a storage case, and a variety of sizes to handle most tasks. Great quality at a great price. Check the description link to pick yours up. Number 17. Astro AI S8 Ultra 4000A Car Jump Starter. This powerful 4000A jump starter delivers outstanding performance for the price. You can start most cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. Includes a digital display, flashlight, and USB ports for charging. A huge 50% discount makes it one of the best deals today. Grab yours through the link below. Number 18. Nexpeak NC2 0210 A Car Battery Charger 12V. This smart charger works for cars, bikes, and marine batteries. It automatically adjusts charging mode and protects against overheating, reverse polarity, and overcharging. Perfect for reviving weak batteries and seasonal vehicles. Get this deal through the link in the description. Number 19. Tire Pressure Gauge. Analog glow dial. Simple, accurate, and durable. This analog tire gauge features a glow-in-the-dark dial for nighttime checks. No batteries needed, and the metal body adds longevity. A cheap upgrade that boosts safety and fuel efficiency. Check the link below and grab it now. Number 20. TaskStar 2-in-1 Electric Grease Gun Cordless. This cordless grease gun makes lubrication jobs fast and effortless. Great for cars, trailers, tractors, and machinery. It features strong pressure, a long hose, and dual-mode operation, a powerful tool for both home mechanics and professionals. Grab this deal now using the link in the description, and there you have it. 20 of the best car tool deals you can grab right now. Whether you need a jump starter, tire inflator, diagnostic tool, or garage essential, these picks can make your driving safer and your maintenance easier. Don't forget, all product links are in the description. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more great Amazon car accessory deals. Thanks for watching.